everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some empties to share with you. A whole bag full, so we gotta get this trash out of here. The aluminum foil, 25 square feet. This came from a DollarTree. This is thin. It's alright. If you're not careful, the row will get messed up pretty fast. But overall, it served its purpose. We'll be doing a lot of grilling, so I have a lot of aluminum foil. The True Living foil, the heavy duty non-stick aluminum foil, this was 50 square feet. I really liked this one. We'll definitely repurchase this one. It was very thick. It was so good for grilling. Definitely recommend this for grilling. It's very thick and it didn't mess up on the row or anything. The Reynolds Wrap foil sheets, 50 count. These are a little bit longer than the DollarTree foils and the foils that you find at the Dollar General. More sturdier quality as well. I will definitely repurchase these again in the future when I find a deal on them. I got them about 80 cents cheaper than what they originally are, so I like that. So all these foils are okay. I mean, I definitely would repurchase every one of them. Okay, moving on. The Triumph Freezer Quart double zipper bags, 40 bags. And I repurchased these a couple times from Save-A-Lot, and they serve their purpose. And I think that the amount that you get for the price is not bad either. They're under $3, and they work really well because I do a lot of buying huge packs of meat and then divvying them up. Moving on, Scotty's tissues. This was the 128 2-ply facial tissues. These are always good. Sometimes I forget to save the packaging stuff, but this time I remembered, and we always repurchase the Scotty's tissues, so they're good. The True Living shaped scrubbers, you get 5 in here for $1. These are from Dollar General. I really like these sponges. This one is really dirty, so be warned, but that's what they look like, and they come in different colors. So they have the scrubber on top and the spongy part on the bottom, and they have a nail guard area to protect your mani. So I love these. We'll continue to purchase. And also for kitchen items, I have the Spick and Span Advanced Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner in Fresh Citrus Scent. Love this stuff. I use it all over the kitchen. It's a multi-purpose cleaner and it's antibacterial. And I love it. It has 2 settings on the sprayer, and I used all of this, and I'm actually going to save this bottle because I have a refill bottle that I'm going to just the Spick and Span that I'm just going to pour into this bottle. So you will see this bottle again in the future, but I'm just going to reuse it. It's decent and it works. And moving right along to the bathroom, I have the Lime Away. This is 16 fluid ounces. You get this for $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. It's a fantastic toilet cleaner. You honestly don't have to use it just on your toilets because it does lime calcium rust. It is a thick gel, so you can use this other places too. But fantastic toilet bowl cleaner. I repurchased this tons of times, at least 20 times, no joke. And it's way cheaper at your local Dollar Tree than it is anywhere else. And I have fabric sheets. The Sweet Pea Blossom. I got these at Dollar Tree. You get 40 of them, which is not a bad deal for $1.25, and I like the way that they smell. The Clorox Scent Boosters in Lavender. I'm not crazy about lavender, I always say it, but this is a subtle lavender and it's not that potent, and I mix it with my other scent beads, and I think it makes them not as less loud of a scent with the eucalyptus, so it's nice. The Swabadol Complete, and this one is in the lavender scent. Once again, very light scent, so it doesn't bother me or give me headaches. So I like this because it has the color protection and stain removal, and this stuff works. I love it. And then the LA's Totally Awesome Stain Lifter Laundry Detergent, 64 fluid ounces. This scent is in the Clean Fresh scent. This is a nice scent. I found this at the Dollar General. It's 32 loads, 64 fluid ounces for only $1. Now, since finding this, I bought 2, and I have not seen it in stores in months. I just had this stocked back. It was nice. It has a nice scent to it. It gets the clothes clean. So, and it's 32 loads. I do large loads, so I would say I get 16 loads out of this container for $1. I'm not mad at it. And now onto the items that I have not talked about either in a long time or never. So first is the Fabuloso limited edition fresh orchid scent. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, but I do use this on the floors, and it is 16.9 fluid ounces. It has a really nice scent to it. I just put this in a spray bottle and use it to quickly clean the floors. It works fantastic. Everyone on here loves the Fabuloso, so definitely recommend. I think that I either found this at the Dollar General or the DollarTree, but I cannot remember. Either way, they sell it at both stores. The LED light bulb from DollarTree. This is the daylight one. These are so incredibly bright. They last a really long time. And I just wanted to share that with you, that if you're looking for a cool toned light bulb that is, you know, $1.25 and works great, check at the DollarTree. These on-screen cleaning towelettes, I bought these in a set for the TVs, and it came with these and some spray cleaner and a lint-free cloth, and they work okay. After trying a new cleaning the TV method that I probably will share in a cleaning video soon, I no longer will be purchasing any cleaners to clean the TV. Yeah, you heard that right. No more cleaners for our TV. Yeah, these are just okay. Honestly, it leaves this oily, weird, streaky film on the TV, so I don't really recommend these. When we first started using them, I thought they were okay, but long-term use and that greasy film like that it leaves on the TV, not a fan. And then the Arm & Hammer 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for dogs, well, for pets. This is the gentle cleansing formula. It has baking soda, and it's in 20 fluid ounces, and it's in the cucumber mint scent. Isn't that dog adorable? Anyways, I use this on Oscar, and I love the way it smells. It gets him clean, and his fur is incredibly soft after using this. Typically we would use, side note, ivory dish soap because it kills fleas and it's safe for pets. Recently I've been alternating between the ivory and the Arm & Hammer here. Finally finished this up, but it is really good. I definitely would repurchase this for Oscar. So that has been the household empties today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful, and maybe we'll try some of these products out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.